Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be bringing to you another crochet hairstyle. However, we're going to add a headband to that. So, this is the crochet wig cap that I will be using. I picked it up from my local beauty store. Alright, this headband has 3 combs. 2 here and 1 in the back. The mannequin, the canvas that I'm using, this is a 23 inch. I could use smaller, however, 1, 2, make sure I line this up right. Okay. All right, so that's what I was looking. The combs are going on the side and on the back. It's a big canvas here, so there's combs on each side. Combs on each side and 1 in the back. All right, so here we have it. We'll be putting this braid in today. This one is 3 times Mady Beauty. Braid is a Waterfall Locs 12 inch. This is the color 1. And I also have a color Carmelette. So it looks like a burgundy wine type color. It doesn't give no number. But I'll take it out the pack so you can see. I wore this style myself. So these are the packs that I had left. I feel as though like I'll make a crochet braid. So this is the colors of this pack. Hope my lighting is not off too bad. You see it? Alright, and then we have a color black. What it is a dread and it has hair on the side. I wore this myself, nice. It was nicely. However, this time around I'd rather do a cap because I felt like the hairs itself, because I wore it, was just too much. They would get tangly trying to keep them together. So putting it on a cap would be better. And not all of them come like that. So you have some that come loose, and there's some that comes with the waterfalls on the side. So you can mix and match. So what I do is I separate the ones that have the waterfall so that I can place them strategically. Okay? So like in that little bundle, this way I know how, once I put it in, I know how I want to place them. So out that little bundle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 came without the hair, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and 6. All right, so I separate the colors, and this was in the pack. It's 2 like different colors, so that's why they have it. They call it like a Carmelette. This is like a bronze, and this is like a, move the 2 so you can see, a rusty. But the 2 together complement each other. See, this one's darker, this one's brighter. So when you mix them together, it complements each other. All right, so let's start off. This is the front. And this is the back and the side. Here I'm sewing the headband on. I'm taking the stitch where the headband originally is sewed together, and I'm sewing it on the cap, because this is going to be a headband crochet wig. I'm coming through the elastic. Mind me, I got my own English. However, I'm coming through the band because, yes, when you come through the band, it makes it a little tight, but so that gives it a little bit more added security. I know a couple people who's been asking me about these headband wigs. You know what I mean? Because you can't make everything one size fit all. Because some of these ladies have small heads. Little do you know. One lady, I tell you, it was so small, she needed a kid-size hat. So, and she really liked the headband wig. So this is why I came with the net part right here, because it's easy to crochet and they're small. So this would definitely fit on top of her head. And then adding this black headband right here, which will allow her to add any other headband that she chooses on top of that. This headband is stretchy, so it's not tight. What I did was just turned it inside out. I will fix it once I adjust it back. Trying to make sure position it so you can see that I'm taking the two together and I'm stitching it. And I close down, reinforce the knot. I take the tip up here, take the tip over here by the elastic, and I come through, and I come through. And I wrap. Here we have it. We sewed it on. Then what we do, you unfold it and you bring it up. And there you have it. All right, so let's get started with our crochet. This is the front, and I want the hair to fall towards the back. So I'm crocheting it like on a laying down slant position. Because when you put the headband up, you want to make sure that it's coming towards the back. You see you got the waterfalls hairs. I'll make sure I grab those and pull them through. And what I'm gonna do is I'm adding all the hairs with the crochet waterfalls in it. I'm gonna add those first, and then I'm gonna go around and add the color hair with the crochet waterfalls. Then I will add all the ones without the falls. This way I can place everything and a nice pattern. No, I should be going maybe in a routine, but I have 2 packs that I'm working with, and we're going to work this out because it's going to all fall well. What I did, I started working on this color, and I'm just placing that all over. Some at the top, some at the bottoms. Like I said, I'm not doing no Pacific uniform. I'm just placing them in. And see, this is what I was saying about the hair. So I had to go through each one of them individually and fix them up so they look like something. Now I'm oh, I think I still got some of this color left. No. Now I'm going with this color. And as you see, I'm placing all the hairs that has the waterfalls on them first. And then I will go and place the regular dreads in between. This is what we're working with thus far. So this is what I have so far. And I just placed all the dreads in that has the waterfalls on them. I haven't even placed in the regular dreads yet. Because I'm getting ready to do those right now and fill this right on up. I have like 3 more left. 4 more. Let me see. I'll turn it up. That's the back. And a couple more. Make sure I focus in the front because this is the front right here. See. Yes, this is the front. Mind you, this canvas head I'm using is 23 inch, so this is a big one. But I like them big like this when I'm trying to work it on there. This way I know I filled in any spaces or gaps. And when the person puts it on, I know it's going to close it up. Yep, I believe I used it all. Yes. Here we have it. Let's put this bad boy up here. She didn't take that long to do. The headband, you flip this right here. Matter of fact, let me. All right, here we go. I turned the light around so we get a better lighting. But I have 2 more pieces left. So basically, I always leave 2 to the side so I can see where I'm gonna put it. As you see, here we go with the headband wig. This is where I stitched. You remember where I stitched it? So now you just take the headband and you pull it up. This crochet cap has combs in it. I'm gonna stick it underneath this mannequin's braids to secure it. She has an anchor braid back here in the back that I use also. So, and there we have it. Nice. Headband wig. I'm gonna take her down a little bit so you can see, just in case it's up too high. Let's see a little something right there. Whatever that is. And here I go trying it on myself. That's the headband that I attached to it. Here go another headband that I'm gonna place on it. Earring came up. All right, here you go, ladies. The headband wig. From start to finish. I hope you like it. Let me turn around so you can see the back. You can take you a scrunchie and tie it this way. Or you can take this headband, this type of headband I have. You can pull it further back. You wear it like that. It's one that's secure. It's not going nowhere. That's why I used this cap, because it already had the combs in there. So I didn't have to worry about attaching those combs. So there we have it. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Now I have the headband all the way down here on my forehead, but you can pull your headband back this far. I don't have my edges laid down, nothing like that. So you want to lay your edges down, you can. But for some of us, just don't want to. We just want to hide our edges, because that's what these headbands is about. That's what these headband wigs are about. Little tongue tied, is so we can protect our edges. So this is why the headband wigs and the wig hats are out so much, and they popular because ladies need to protect their edges. Wintertime is here. It's time to go into some other techniques and protective styles, um, in headband wigs and wig caps, wig hats. All right. So I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.